Okay, guys, today's tutorial video, we want to talk about using this strategy lab. Okay, so strategy lab allows you to use our strategy on the stock that you want to trade on your specially curated watch list. Like for example, let's do the example. Let's say if you want to follow Warren Buffett, okay, we take Warren Buffett as an example. Now I've got 4 stocks added to the Warren Buffett watch list, but I'm going to delete it. And then I'm going to restart the exercise together with you. This is for Walmart. I also delete it. This is doing my testing use. Okay, so let's create a new one. So we can create a watch list we call Warren Buffett. Okay, Warren Buffett. Okay, now what am I trying to do here? I'm trying to follow Warren Buffett stocks. His most famous stock, Goldman Sachs. Okay, Apple. And recently he's been buying Occidental, right? And American Express. Wow, I don't know the name. American Express. I know he has this company. Okay, 4 enough already. Okay, 4 stocks. So after you create these 4 stocks, yeah, you go to strategy lab. Once you're at strategy lab, there are these strategies for you to run the strategy on the watch list that you just created, which is Warren Buffett. Okay, let's say we use Trendmaster 38 strategy. You go to the watch list, you can select from so many, right? Okay, but the one that we created just now was Warren Buffett. So let's go to Warren Buffett. Okay, Warren Buffett, initial capital, we put 5,000. So since when? From 2019, July to 2024, July 8. So that is exactly 5 years of history. Okay, now you can also run the, you can also read the description of how Trendmaster 38 strategy works. So after you are done, you're happy, right? You run the test. So it will start to collate the data. You see the robot will be working behind the scene, and take the time to wait. Okay. Luckily I don't have to pause the video. So the back test has been completed. So how did the strategy works on Warren Buffett's 4 stocks? Okay, so you can see signal performance is very strong. Okay, very strong. The COVID time, it has to draw down. No choice. Okay, then Warren Buffett stock has got very high win rate. 2019, 2020, every time the win rate is 80% and above. Some years even hit 100%. But because only 4 stocks, guys, so do not over think about the win rate. There are only 4 stocks. Okay, so let's come down and check out the equity curve. Now, this is the equity curve for Warren Buffett's 4 stock based on the 5K capital, which means if you use this strategy on that 4 stocks in 2019, you start from 5K until today, right? You will be up $12,460, close to 2.5 times your money. Okay. Fund utilization up to 78% only. Now, there are drawdown periods. If you use Warren Buffett, this 4 stock, the worst is the 21% drawdown, as you can see right here. This is due to COVID. I think whatever strategy is going to draw down. Okay. Now, otherwise, right, most of the time it is within 10%. The drawdown is within 10%. Okay, so this is the performance if you use the strategy on Warren Buffett 4 stocks. Now, if you're happy with this performance, you save strategy to dashboard. Okay, and what's the strategy name? We call it follow Buffett. Follow Warren Buffett. Okay. Follow stocks of Warren Buffett. So give you a description, you click save. What will happen? Okay, it's telling you that it has saved the settings to dashboard. So what will happen is the strategy has been saved. You can go to your system robot. You scroll down, right? You will be able to see the first one. Okay, so you have an option right now to activate this robot. So once you activate this robot, it is going to trade your account on these 4 stocks. Okay, from these 4 stocks. So this is unique to your own stock trading performance using K2 robot. Okay, so this one, I'm not going to use it, so I'm going to delete it. So if you don't want it, you delete it, you click confirm. Now, problem is, suddenly you remorse, you regret, you want to pull back how? You go to lab reports. It is still here. Okay, so you can click save, it will go back to the dashboard. Also, these are all the past report I was playing with. The best performance is using a Trendmaster. So I hope you can explore the Trend Master and find your stock first. Okay, you go and curate a list of stocks to follow lah. Either Warren Buffett or George Soros, who is drug Miller. Okay, so this is how you can use this, or you can follow what is the hottest stock like right now, Nvidia, all this, right? So you can just delete. You create you call it AI stock. Maybe you want AI stock. You do AI stock. You do AI stock. AI stocks. Okay, the watch list is AI stocks. You create a watch list. Oh, sorry, you cannot put dot lah. You cannot put dot, so you can only do this AI stocks. All right, then you put all the AI related stocks inside. Nvidia. Wow. Then you have SMIC. Sorry, SIMC. I forgot. Never mind. Taiwan Semiconductor. Then you can put in your AMD, Qualcomm, and all these. So basically, the idea is you can put all of them inside here, save the watch list, then do the same thing. Come to Strategy Lab. Okay, you run it on the watch list that you just created. Okay, and then you can backtest your initial capital. If you're happy with performance, you can activate it and run it on your own trading account. Okay, so that is how you can make use of Strategy Lab combined with your own personalized watch list to make money using K2 robot. Fully customized option is now available. So go ahead and try it out. Thank you very much. I will see you at the next video. Any questions, feel free to post under the comments field.